Okay, so one of the questions that I've had was how to put the factory GT fog lights in a 2010 through 2012 Mustang GT with a Boss 302 grill. And I've looked all over the internet. I haven't really found any way to do it. And I got my Boss 302 grill for Christmas from my wife. So I'm not going to make this a long drawn out video. I'm just going to show you the short and sweet version of it. The factory fog lights, if you look at the orientation for your mounting tabs, on the outside edge you got the one tab, inside edge you got the two tabs. If you flip the fog lights, on the header panel right here, I took a small drill bit and I drilled a hole through the header panel while I was holding the fog light up. Down here where you've got the tab, I took one of the factory Ford body screws that I had left over from another project and it threaded in there no problem. Drilled a small hole, was able to thread that one. I took some safety wire on this outside edge and I drilled a little small hole in the bottom of the grill so that it wouldn't show through. I use lacing wire, but it's good, it's tight, and I think that's going to work out pretty well. Alright, so I got the bumper back on, got everything hooked back up. As you can see, the fog lights work like they're supposed to. There's no real clearance issues. That one's kind of close right there. Same thing over here, it's close, but there's no interference issues. Works like it's supposed to. I know there's some people that are going to be true diehard Boss guys. Boss 302 grills shouldn't have fog lights. You know, it's a matter of what you like, matter of what you want. I'm not going for a Boss look. I just like the tri-bar emblem behind the pony, old school style. So that's that.